A very Merry Christmas to all of you at home from all of us here at Valley News Live. We do have a first weather alert day for us for our Christmas day, where we're going to have some potentially impactful snow for portions of the valley, but we've got multiple first weather alert days coming up. So Christmas Eve, tonight, no travel issues at all, but then tomorrow into Christmas Day, looks like we are going to have some travel troubles, especially in the Southern Valley. And then by the middle of the week, temperatures, they just start to drop out and they plummet well below zero for portions of the valley. Let's take a look at the current conditions on the Luther Family Ford Skycam. Very clear right now on I-29, no travel troubles at all this evening. Taking a look at our current conditions, 13 degrees for Fargo, 12 degrees for us in Moorhead. Those winds, though, are making it feel closer to 3 degrees above zero, so very chilly out there right now for us. Taking a look at satellite and radar composite, very quiet. We like this. Very quiet on Christmas and then on Christmas Eve, but we do have some scattered clouds out to the west and maybe even some snow out there. And that's going to be our next weather system way out here in Montana. This is going to make its way across the valley and into the region overnight tonight into the day tomorrow. And because of that, we do have a winter weather advisory for these areas in the Southern Valley where we could easily get 3 to 5 inches of snow for portions of the valley. This starts at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, so make sure you plan accordingly for those trips out to Grandma's. Taking a look at our temperatures, very calm, not too bad. I mean, for winter, not looking too bad out there. A little chilly though off to the north. Taking a look at your hour-by-hour forecast, quiet tonight. And I paused it here at about midnight because we can see the snow starting to make its way off to the east. And by 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, we're going to see the snow start to affect portions of the James River Valley. And then by 7 a.m., we're going to start to see snow start to make its way into the Southern Valley. So Fargo, Wahpeton, and then into Lakes Country by tomorrow afternoon. We're going to see this snow, some of it heavy at times. So if you are traveling tomorrow afternoon and into the evening, Southern Valley, make sure you have that winter survival kit. But in the Northern Valley, we are going to see some scattered snow showers, but nothing too bad, it looks like right now for the Northern Valley. Taking a look at our snowfall potential by tomorrow night, I'm thinking probably in that neighborhood of 1 to 4 inches for Fargo. A lot of it's going to depend on where this snow banding sets up, but it would not surprise me for these areas shaded in purple down here in the Southern Valley. So Southern James River Valley, it would not surprise me to see anywhere from 3 to maybe even 6 inches of snow if we ever get some of this snow banding that some of the models are starting to depict. Taking a look at your hometown planner, looks to be not too bad. Again, quiet up to the north with temperatures in those single digits above zero, thank goodness. Picture of the day from Sophia, beautiful picture of a sunset near Ada. We're going to use this as a background of our 7-day planner. Now, lots of red on this map because we've got a lot to talk about. Sunday night into Monday, we have another weather system that's going to make its way into the valley, and this one could bring some fairly significant travel impacts as we're starting to make our way home. Tuesday looks to be, dare I say it, the nicest day of the week, because on Wednesday into Thursday, Stacy, the bottom just drops out. It gets cold. And Stacy, I've been looking at some of these models this afternoon, and some of these models, this might be a little bit warm, to be honest. It might be actually a little bit cooler into Wednesday and Thursday, and very cold to end 2021. Let me tell you, I don't know. I mean, plug the car in by later on this week, but again, the big impacts tonight. Looks great to go into Grandma's house. Tomorrow, going to have trouble, especially in the Southern Valley. But then another weather system Sunday into Monday. It's just going to be really busy this week.
I did not think that's where you were going to go with that, with the models. Colder than that?
Possibly, yeah. I mean, I tend to be a little conservative. We all do around here, just because we don't want to have the extremes. So, but some of these models, they're looking downright bitterly cold. But no matter what, it's going to be cold. No matter how we look at it to end 2021.
These are the days when you wear like 3 pairs of socks, or at least I do.
Exactly. You know, the Santa hat is going to be very good to have later on this week, let me tell you.
Not just fashionable.
No, exactly. It's going to be necessary. It's going to be necessary at this point.
Thanks, Eric.
Yep, you bet.
Coming up next, we'll take a look at a magical display of Christmas lights in Minnesota. You won't want to miss it.